Imagine this. Just as the sphere will turn every live event into an immersive spectacles.
Right, one more time. Dedicate. Right and set. Ready. 3, 2, 1. Rolling.
This venue promises to be more than just a building.
This venue promises to be more than just a building.
It will be a hub for community and connections.
It will be a hub for communities and connections.
Families, friends, and fans will gather here.
Families and friends will gather here.
Iwan yung fans.
Families, friends, and fans.
Galing naman yung ikaw din. Simple.
Ganda tingnan mo yung shot niya.
So today we are doing a food shoot with this restaurant and we got here VJ and Mark. So VJ is the one doing the video for reels, Mark is the one for the photos. So yeah, and then there's me. I'm their taga-kain afterwards.
Nangyari sa buhay.
ทั้งหมดในสอนในเป็นเจ้าบ้านนะไม่รู้เหรอเว้นไหมวางจุดแบบไม่เกี่ยว
Gusto dito. Dapat di makita yung damit. Sige ba? Naupo mo ba? Kaya mo yung sa kamay? Hindi, okay lang. Hindi kaya. Dalawang kamay, dalawang kamay. Sige, okay lang. That's it.
Hi. Simula kami ng... Ano ba sa'yo simula? 2 p.m. 6 o'clock na. Currently walking in the middle of the desert. Guys, so I'm now on the Go Food Dubai. So I'm now going home alone in Abu Dhabi. Yung mga kasama ko rin iniwanan ako dito sa Dubai kasi may space din sila dito. So dito sila umuwi. So ako yung isa. So good luck to me. And yep. Dito ako ma-apply yung pagiging street smart and stuff. Tapos sobrang hardcore commute ako for today's video because wala akong mobile data. Nakalimutan ko magpaload siya. Kung magpapaload ako for today lang, so para ang mahal niya. So, ayun. I'm taking risks. Hopefully, I can go home safe. So, yeah. And my train is here.
Okay guys, dito kami ngayon sa fish market kung saan nakikita nyo mga isda at mga fresh makulan. At... Dalawa lang. Ba't dalawa lang?
It's been a long day. Like, ang daming gano'n. Hindi na ako makakip up. So, yun. Buhay pa naman.
Ano sa'yo dyan?
Chocolate.
Diyan na Nutella. Nutella. Nutella na. Nutella doon na. Ate Jess, mamaya.
Ang laki niyan.
Kulang siya ng sabon. Actually, smells.
Hi! So today we are here in Dubai for a day trip. So we just went around. Then we went to this bakery-ish. So bakery is yung name. We tried the huge croissant and the huge coffee mug. And look at the sunset. Wait. Yes, here is super sunset. So, life update. Nasarado ko yung bahay. Tapos nasa labas ako. Yung susi nasa loob ng bahay. Gets nyo ba? So, parang like, I locked myself out of our house. So, yun. So, I was cleaning the house. Then, so after that, I did the incense thingy. Parang like, yung fragrance ng house. So, yung pati yung harapan ng pintuan, ginanong-ganon ko ng incense. Tapos, as in, like, di ko na malayan na slowly na masara na yung pinto. Tapos biglang nagulat na lang ako na biglang bogs. Nagsara yung pinto. So parang hawak-hawak yung insenso dito. So parang medyo nag-internal panic ako. Mga 5 seconds, gano'n. So sinubukan ko i-twist yung knob. Pero kasi yung knob, yung doorknob. Pero ayun, hindi kasi siya yung typical doorknob na pag tinwist mo na open. So ano lang siya, display lang siya. So mabubuksan mo lang yung pinto namin through keys. So, yun. Wala akong dalang susi kasi nililinis ako. Hello, lang dalang susi. So, yun. After nun, so, nisip ko, bumaba na lang ako. Tanongin yung reception kung may extra silang susi. Tapos, wala. Buting na lang yung guard doon, Pilipino. So, I asked him if may number ba siya ni mama, ganun, kung pwede ko matawagan. Because I locked myself out of her house. And I was wearing this. I'm wearing my PJs, tapos shorts pa siya. So, imagine. Nandun lang ako sa reception area for like 45 minutes. Hanggang sa dumating na nanay ko, nadala yung susi niya. Serious, nakakaya. Kasi like, nakatulala lang ako doon, natatawa sa sarili ko. Kasi feeling ko buong buhay ko joke time, ganun. Parang hindi laging nawawala ng, alam mo yun, something na nakakaya. So, yun. Sobrang lesson of the day. Lagi magdala ng susi kahit maglilinis lang ng bahay. The moment na nag-step out ka sa door, kahit bukas sa bukas yung door, magdala ng susi. Kasi grabe, imagine. What if yung security guard pala dun ibang lahi? Paano ko like i-explain yung situation in English without sounding so dumb? Pero like, tapos yun, mingi lang din ako na advice ng security guard if ever na mangyari ulit yung situation. Kasi yun nga, mahaba daw yung proseso. Tapos natawag pa doon sa head office. So, yun.
Guys, alam ko yung news kasi ito talaga na favorite ko talaga sa mga channels. So, yun. Wait lang natin yung ibang news na
It's already 12 o'clock in the morning and we are still working on the designs. Lilay, say hi! Naka-perm, yes. Another part-time. Yeah. So it's currently 3 o'clock in the morning and we have this event tomorrow at 9 o'clock, so everything is prepared already and I have to wake up early again. Sabi ni Madam mamaya madami. So this is my station today. Yeah. Say hi.